Good Monday morning, everybody. It is January the 20th, and I'm Chris Allen here on the Sam channel. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and X, all sponsored by Ace Hardware Marketplace. Ooh, it's cold this morning. As you can see behind me, the current time is 7:46 as I do this update here this morning. And it just looks cold. When you look outside, the live camera from my house, the Plano cam is what I call it. You can see that it's just clear and it's cold. And everybody's trying to warm up their vehicles this morning. I don't blame you. Take some extra time to get all that done this morning. And it's going to be a very cold day. We're starting out in the single digits. Yes, single digit temperatures as expected, and with just a little bit of a breeze. I'll show you the mesonet here in a moment. You get wind chills that are at or below zero. So when you go out this morning, you need to dress not for the single digit temperature, but for the below zero wind chill factor, because that's even more, that's even colder. Well, you can see I've got on a hoodie. I don't want to mess my hair up, but aren't I pretty in this? That I'm just kind of looking over here. Aren't I pretty? I'm so pretty. Feel like Muhammad Ali, just, I'm so pretty. Yeah. Okay. All right. Make sure the, make sure the hair didn't get messed up. That's important. Make sure the hair is not messed up. But even with the heat on and all that, I'm cold this morning. The heat is on in here. Everything's nice and toasty, but I'm like, just this feels so good. And usually I am very warm natured, very hot natured, and I don't, even in the winter time, I don't want a lot of stuff on, but today it's different. It's just a different kind of cold, and you can tell that it's different. Whew. All right, let's look at those mesonet temperatures now, and oh boy, is it cold. I mean, look all over the state, single digits everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 5, 5, 3, 3, 3, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8. Well, it's a whopping 8. Oh, there's a 9 in the far western corner of Kentucky. Those are not wind chills. Those are temperatures, actual temperatures. 6.2 is the temperature at the Ag Expo Center here at 7:49 this Monday morning. 4.8 is the current exact temperature at the Corvette plant, Mesonet site. Now, let's put in a little bit of a breeze. The wind chill makes it feel like, here we go. Oh, well, it's not as bad as I thought. So it must be a calm wind here, but, oh, here we go. It feels like -4 in Allen County, Scottsville. That's the wind chill factor. Feels like -2 with a temperature of 6. All right, feels like -3. It just updated. In Franklin with a temperature of 6.2, but with a north wind at 5, it feels like it's -3. Let me find some other minuses. Oh, there's a -7 near Columbia, Adair County. Temperature is 3.6 in Columbia, but with a northwest wind at 6, it makes it feel like it's -7. Wow. Whew. Oh, there's a -10. Fayette County, Lexington, the temperature is 1.3 but with a west wind at 6, it feels like it's -10. Yush. Jeez, Louise. That's cold. Wow. And then PWH, almost cold enough to close the windows in the house. Wow. Okay. Are you okay? Whoever PWH is, I worry about you. Okay. So there you go. That's the story this morning, the cold, and I told you it would be. Now, yesterday, okay, we got a little bit of snow. And I know a lot of you were like, wait a minute, what's happening here? What's the deal? I didn't think it was supposed to do this. You said a dusting. It ended up being pretty much a dusting. At the airport, they recorded 1.3 inches, just a little over an inch. Practically a dusting, maybe just a little bit more than that. Some of you, especially along and east of 65, got a lot more than that, 2 or 3 inches in some cases. But then it didn't last. I told you it wouldn't last. It wouldn't be all day, and then the cold air came in, took over. So, it all pretty much panned out the way that I thought it would. So, nah. Those that doubted me, okay, got you. I hear you. Sometimes I know that happens. Okay, let's take a look at what I want to go here to here. Wait, it's not working for me. Why is it not working? What did I hit wrong? Oh, let's go up here and do this. Let me get rid of this. Okay. Flip the right button and the wrong button. And next, let's do this. Okay. I hit too many buttons is what it did. And it confused the software, which confuses me sometimes. But here we go. All right. Now to the maps. Got it right. Fixed it. All right. There you see the remnants of that little system that came through yesterday. It is now gone. As you can see out to the east, every good here in all of Bowling Green, Southern Kentucky, except it's just exceptional. We're going to be cold again tonight. We're only going to get up to maybe near 20 today. That's it. Near 20. High pressure ridge takes over, and for tonight, another cold one. Lots of single digits again, but maybe just a tad warmer, closer to 10 to 13 for an overnight low tonight here in Bowling Green with an increase in clouds. There's a little weak upper system that's going to try to fly by tomorrow and possibly deliver a few flurries. Not a big deal. There you see the trough back to the west. That's a disturbance coming through parts of Missouri and southern Illinois. May sweep by tomorrow with just a few clouds and a passing flyby flurry. That's it. And we'll get up to about 20 to 23. Wednesday, we go mostly sunny, 22 or 32, I should say, warming it up some to 32. Then finally on Thursday, we get a southerly flow. You see that warm front there, and a more southerly flow that's going to warm us up to around 40. But you also see a cold front, but the good news is that's a dry front. Not expecting anything from that. It's just going to slip on by. No big deal. We stay warmer. Friday, we go to 43. Saturday, how about 48? This is a heat wave. We're going to get close to 50. Sunday, rain. All of this will be rain. Yes, temperatures will be in the upper 40s, close to 50. And even as we get into Monday, the front begins to stall a bit. And even though it's not painted in, it would be rain. as we head into Monday of next week, a week from today. So there you go. All right. What about the model blender? What does it show? Well, here it is. And you can see that it's showing a warming trend for sure. You can see we go from, as I mentioned, near 20 today, maybe 10, 11 to 13 tonight, to low 20s tomorrow, back down to single digit temperatures for Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Then we start to get the benefit of a more southerly flow. Starting Wednesday, we try to warm it up close to freezing, but we're still 1, 2, 3 days of below freezing temperatures. That 72-hour window that I mentioned of below freezing temperatures, we're in it now. But we won't get out of it. Really, we won't get out of it until Thursday. And that's when we will push near 40 for a high temperature. And then you see we go 50, 45, 45, near 50, 49, 50, 47. These temperatures are where we should be at this point at the end of January. Mid to upper 40s, 46, 47. Excuse me. That's where we ought to be for a high temperature. And we're going to get there. We're going to get there. This big chill that we're in right now is not going to last that much longer. Give it another couple of days and it'll start to shake itself out. We'll get more of a southerly flow, and that is going to help us warm up back to where we should be this time of the year. I don't see any big systems coming in. The one for the weekend is going to be rain. It's going to be all rain because temperatures will be above freezing. But as of right now, the thing you've got to be careful of is, watching for frozen pipes in this 3-day, 72-hour plus window of very, very cold, sustained, very cold air below freezing. This is when your pipes get tested. This is when a lot of things get tested, including the battery in your car. So if you got out there this morning and it was like, kind of like I am when I get up in the morning. If it sounded like when I get up in the morning, then you got a problem already. It may have turned over. It may have run for you, but I would go get it checked out. Go to AutoZone, Advance, O'Reilly's. It doesn't matter. They will test your battery for free to see how many cold cranking amps it has. That's key. A lot of people don't know about that. Most people say, well, I just bought this battery not that long ago. And I know they're expensive. Let me tell you, I know this. But if you don't change it now, then you're liable to get out there one morning and all it's going to do when you turn the key is click, 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 click. And you're done. Go get it tested. They'll do it for free. Do it for free. And then, of course, they hit you when you got to buy a battery. And that's, I'm not even going to tell you how much it costs because, oh, goodness gracious. Anyway, you guys have a great Monday. Stay warm. Watch out for some icy spots in a couple of spots this morning. Still, yeah, there could be from the snow we had yesterday and the refreezing of some of that. In the meantime, I'll see you at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock tonight on News 40 WNKY, because local matters. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and God bless.